Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Wowotrip.com. So if you don't know what this is basically just an Airbnb ripoff. So it's just like booking.com or Airbnb, so you can just book places from here. So that is basically it. So let's head on over here to Trustpilot, where they're rated 3.5 out of 5 stars, which is average. So they have a lot of 1-star reviews here, so we actually can find them. So this person said they had good booking experience, book our weekend trip, blah blah blah, made our reservation, and it was accurate, fast, and professional. And this person said this company is a scam. Do not book. They lie over and over again. They claim to have made a reservation for me on hotel in DC. Called 5 times, and this person basically had a bad experience with them. So basically, we cannot justify or judge this company because it only has 16 reviews here on Trustpilot. However, it does raise some red flags having these bad reviews right here. So they actually reply to the bad reviews right here. So saying sorry and explaining what happened in their case. So however, it does not actually justify that this company is a scam. Yeah, you can use this. However, I would not see using this instead of booking.com or Airbnb. You should just use those two instead of this one. And yeah, that is it. That is my review on Wowotrip.com. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.